Well, I'm heading out. Thinking about trying to go in a different direction. This is kind of the same direction I normally go in, but I'm going to try to go down the Scooby Obby to Highland and then go over on Highland a ways and come back up. And again, I still haven't fixed my brakes yet. Of course, nobody knows that because I don't think I've actually posted a video yet about me talking about my brakes. Maybe I did, I can't remember. I posted so many shorts lately, I don't know. But yeah, my brakes are getting like super squishy. Having to pull pretty far on my levers in order to get it to brake. Kind of turned on my rear light without actually looking at it. I just pushed the off power button 4 times. I think that puts it in the random flashing light mode. So I don't have to get off the bike when I don't want to turn on the light. I've had a headache all day. Still kind of do have a headache. I just took some more pain relievers, so maybe between that and then being active, it'll kind of go away. I guess we'll find out. Probably not the best time of day to be riding down Highland Avenue when I get down there because people are like going home from work and shit. So, well, most of that might be gone. It's like after 7. It's 7:28 right now. Computer said it's 84 out here, but it does not feel like 84. It feels like 80. It feels cooler. Also, I kept hearing sounds on my wheel. Sounded like I had broken spokes in the new wheel, but I didn't. The reflector I mentioned possibly breaking within a month or so. Broke within a month or so, and it's just hanging on by one connection onto one spoke. I haven't taken it out. I haven't even worked on the brakes. I'm supposed to take it out when I work on the brakes, but I haven't even done that. Oh man, I was feeling pretty good when I first got out here. Now I don't know. I don't know. This is a little bit of a rough dip. This is Blair Park. This isn't the road I want. Where do I want my Scooby Obby? I think I need to go further up. Yeah, I know where I want to go. I think the Scooby Obby is this street right here with the big community garden in the middle of it. I mean, not big, but little community garden. Oh, I ordered some new riding gloves this morning. Those will be here by the 20th. I read some reviews and one guy said that he bought the large size, but he should have bought the extra large because they were kind of snug. So I usually wear a medium, so I bought the large ones. So to kind of save my brakes, I'm going to be trying to kind of slow down and coast to a lot of these stops first. I remember there being some pretty sizable bumps along this route. I may change my mind right now. I might just make a U-turn and start heading back. My chest is starting to burn. That sucks. Maybe I'll be able to go in the morning and post this as a super short ride. Had a plan, man. That sucks. It's like really nice out here. It sucks even more. Make a U-turn. Oh well, so this is going to be a really short, just neighborhood trip, I guess. Yeah, it's really starting to burn. That sucks. It's alright, I got like 3 videos I need to edit anyway. Got plenty of stuff I could post up. I almost got some of those skeleton finger gloves, but I've had a pair of those before and they kind of just wear out really fast. Oddly enough, I think my roommate gave me his because he didn't want them anymore. Kind of like the gloves I'm wearing now are secondhand. Damn it. This sucks. Damn my health. I should actually say damn my poor health. I mean, all I ate were a couple of Activias, and then I had my vitamins and some water and pain relievers, so I don't know why I'm getting chest burning sensations. Fuck, I just got something in my eye. A lot of something in my eye. Oh my god. What the hell? It's like ash or something. I think I smelled smoke over there. Someone's burning something and it's got remnants in my eyeball. Yeah. Well, the title of this is going to be a really short e-bike ride fail. Damn it. I need to try to get myself to sleep at a decent hour tonight so I can get up and go in the morning. Oh, hey, look, they're actually working on the roads. Maybe that's what that San Bernardino sign was I saw yesterday. Maybe we're going to start finally repaving some of these effed up roads. That would be awesome. But in the meantime, I'm going to have to ride around on a bunch of dirt, probably. Good thing I got these nice dual sport tires that are both for the road and the dirt. So I got my dirt grip issue covered. Man. I'd be amazed if I even went 2 miles. Sucks. Gate closed. Damn, that sucks. Oh well, I got lots that I needed to do anyway. Who knows, maybe if I'm feeling better later, when my bike's done charging up again, I can go for a night ride or something. We'll see. Oh, man. I did not want to go back in this garage so soon already. Oh well. Such is life. No, I went 3 miles, okay. Didn't feel like 3 miles, but you know, alright. I need to put a new piece of tape on my bike. I got like one of my power buttons, or the power button, on my older triangle battery popped out one time, so I put a piece of tape over it to keep it in there, and the tape's kind of coming loose because of the heat. So I need to put a new piece of tape on there. Man, my head is really starting to hurt more now. That sucks. Son of a bitch. Oh, shit. Bike won't roll forward, it's something on the ground. Oh, it's a freaking plumbing tool in the way. I think. What the hell is in the way? Oh, it's a cable in the way. That's what happens when stray cats get in your garage and knock all your shit down. God damn it. I want to get the hell out of this garage, man. It's a little bit too toasty warm in here, especially for how I'm feeling right now. I can't believe it, my controller's actually hot. I went 3 miles and one of my controllers is hot. It's crazy. I hope this controller's not going out on me. That would suck. I don't think I have anything to replace it with. And I have the original controller that came with this bike, but I don't want to use it because it's got limiter features on it. You know, to slow me down. Probably should have turned the light on. Oh well. I can see what I'm doing fairly well. Alright, let's get the hell out of this hot ass garage. With my phone. Oh man. Well, I don't even think there's a point to doing an outro because I don't want to do an outro. I'll just ask you to, oh my god, please subscribe. That would be awesome. And Remember to have a wonderful whatever, wherever you are. For me, since I'm not. And I'll see you on my next video. Okay, bye.